Can you speak English? Could you please give your feedback in the comment? You may like this video. You might subscribe my channel. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajendra. Today I'm going to talk about modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verb can, could, may, might, should, would. Modal verbs plays crucial part when it comes to learning any language. It enhances our proficiency in English. So let's get started. Can, could. Can and could are the modals which are used to show the capability or capacity to do particular work. It also used to show the request, or it also used to take the permissions. Let's have a look on the example. Can you play cricket? Yes, absolutely, I can play cricket. Could you please help me in this project? Yes, absolutely, I will help you in this project. If you see this example, then you can find out that the can in general used to show the capability or ability to perform a particular task, and could in general used to use the in general polite request. You can use could to show the past capabilities. Moving ahead with another modal verbs, would and should. Should and would modals are used to show the advice, recommendation, and hypothetical situations. Let's have one example. You should follow the rules. Should I follow the rules? If I were bird, I would fly in the sky. If you see this example, then you can figure out that should is in general used to give advice or show the state of obligation, and would is used to show your desire or to express the hypothetical situations. Would can be used in another context, for example, to offer something. Would you like to take coffee? So this is the example of would. Moving further to another modal verbs, may, might. May and might modals are used to show the possibility to take permissions. Let's see couple of example. It may rain today. I might forget my mobile at my desk. If you see this example, then you can find out that may and might are used to show the possibility or probability of any work, but there is a slight difference between may and might. May shows more possibility and might shows less possibility. For example, it might rain today. It means there is a less chances of falling rain. And may, you may follow my channel. I'm damn sure that there are more chances that you people will follow my channel. So this is what the possibility of may and might. I hope you found this video very informative and helpful. If you have any doubt regarding these models, then let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for being with me for this video. I'll get back to you with another video. Take care. Bye-bye.